What's up guys, and this is the Coolbeast playing Minecraft Pocket Edition, and I'm here to tell you and show you in the update news about Minecraft Pocket Edition 0.50.0. And in this update, we are playing Beta Build 1, and there are 3 new features in this, and I'm 99.9 infinity sure they will add more features in the next beta build. Now, I will show you the 3 features. The first feature is in this screen. What's different? The realms. The realms are replaced. Well, we placed options to a little small square at the right bottom corner. So what realms are? At first, I never know what realms is. When I was playing Minecraft Pocket Edition 8.0, it said realms is coming soon. So I didn't know what it is. And to play Minecraft Pocket Edition 0.15.0, you have to have an Xbox Live account. And when you do have an Xbox Live account, your name cannot be changed. You can just change your name. It stays like that. That's gonna be a problem. Now, realms are, let's say, do you know how you have to play together in a survival world or a creative world? You have to be in the same Wi-Fi. You don't have to do that. Your friend just could be at his house, just chilling, playing with you at your house with different Wi-Fis. What? Oh, yes, it can. This is possible. But since in the beta build 1, oops, suffer the background. But in the beta build 1, there are still adding new features to the realms. So they will delete your world automatically by yourself, cause that's the problem. I will say, I forgot what was it. It was right here. Oops, I clicked the wrong button. I'm so sorry, guys. Well, I'm gonna show you in the next video what realms do. I'm still doing some. You know what, just forget that. But now I will show you a brand new option that has appeared. Just go to this last one and it will tell you a new option called Texel Anti-Allergy. I don't know what that is. What it does is I have no idea, but I know it causes major lag. Yes, major lag. The lag is real. So I don't know what it does, but it takes forever to turn on and it freezes your game for the moment, and I don't know what it does, but it does cause major lag. Now here's the last feature. Let's go ahead and go to the single row, and as you see, the servers are not compatible yet. Yeah, this is the beta build one. So let's go ahead and go to the tutorial, and boom. Don't you see the new feature? You can see it. The button to open your inventory. I like it 49%, and the regular one's 51, just 1% higher. It's old account. But that's the brand new feature. And if there's any other features I missed, go ahead and leave the comment below saying you missed a feature, Coolbeast. You forgot all about it. That's my fault. Now, I think that's all the features for now. So that's it, guys. This is the end of the video. If you do enjoy, go ahead and destroy the like button. Leave a comment below if I have any other update news to demonstrate and tutorials to demonstrate. And go ahead and ask me questions, guys, because I'm going to do a 100 subscriber special. Yes, I am. And if you have any questions for me, go ahead, leave a comment below, and I will do a shout out for all my favorite YouTuber friends. And go ahead and hit the subscribe button for more videos, for more update news, for more survival videos, for any more videos, and that's a win-win right there. I know that's a win-win. And I'll see y'all later, guys. And like always, guys, thumbs up.